Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a super exciting day for the STi. We are going to be answering one of the most commonly asked questions about this car later on in today's video. So the first thing that I want to get done today is get the ABS system scanned. So we have ABS light on, traction control light, and hill assist light, and they are probably all related to the same thing. I'm thinking one of two things. Either the clock spring from when we pulled the airbag off needs to be clocked, or an ABS sensor, or maybe a ground wire somewhere is disconnected. So we're gonna head to Bobby's dad's shop right now. They have a scanner there. They're gonna scan it real quick and see what is going on with the ABS system. So like a lot of you guys on YouTube here guessed, it is a code for the steering angle sensor. So we're gonna pull in the shop real quick and they're gonna try to reset it and calibrate it and see if we can do it that way. Or I don't know if something maybe needs to be replaced. All right, so the clock spring is rotated 360 degrees. We're just gonna pull the steering wheel off real quick, rotate it back, calibrate it, and that should take care of the ABS light issue. So we rotated the clock spring 360 degrees and then just cleared the system. And as you can see, no more lights on the dash. The only one we have is the one for the windshield washer sprayer. So as soon as we fill that up, we should be 100% good to go with all of the dash light issues. I want to go address the most commonly asked question about this STi. Cheers, mate.
That's fine right there. Cheers, boss.
What are you running away for?
Be on camera today.
Here, just hold it for me then.
Okay.
Today's video is a highly requested video, and we get this question all the time. And that question is, how much did we pay for the car and how much did it cost to rebuild it to a OEM 2019 Subaru STi? So I have everything written down on my phone. So let's just start going through it. Okay, so the total price of the car without any fees, without shipping, without anything, just the winning bid of the car was $9,700. It was completely wrecked when we got it. Front end was freaking smashed in. Yeah, $9,700, that did not include the fees, that did not include shipping. And then shipping to get the car from Clearwater, Florida, all the way to Spokane, Washington was $1,500. So that's right off the bat, like, I don't know how much that is in there. Okay, so obviously when the car got hit in the front, it destroyed a lot of stuff, including like the motor mounts, the transmission mounts. So those were the first things we ended up ordering. Motor mounts, $50, the pitch stop mount, $15, the tranny mount, $120. All that was used off of eBay. Front clip, we ended up just getting a whole front clip imported from Canada. And that was originally imported from Japan, then it went to Canada, then came to the US. So the front clip with shipping down to Spokane was $3,500. I feel like that saved us quite a bit of money overall because there's so many little parts and pieces that we needed. So yeah, $3,500 for the front clip. Airbags was another big one. It had both curtain airbags were deployed, the steering wheel airbag and the knee airbag. So all those were $1,450. Now it did break the timing belt, so we did a timing belt kit that was $300. We replaced the crank pulley, so I found a used one of those on eBay, $30. OEM parts, those were just random OEM stuff we had to order from Subaru, and we did that quite a few times. So the first order was $255. Air pump block off plates, this is just little stuff we did, $21. Intercooler, found a used one, $150. Downpipe, found a used one, $100. Header, used, $75. So much used stuff. A front O2 sensor that was damaged, $100 for that. Another OEM parts order, $181. $280 for tires. Now we did have to have the heads rebuilt because we did have some bent valves. That was $340 for that. Framework, that was obviously a very big one, and that was $1,450. And that was through like a family friend. So I'm sure if you like have a shop do that, it's gonna be quite a bit more expensive. But yeah, $1,450 for that. Now for the paint. On the whole front end, we had to paint both fenders, the hood, and the bumper. Bobby's dad owns a auto body shop, so they did it there. All we had to pay for was the paint. That was $300. Obviously, if you bring it to a shop like that, I think they did. The original quote on that job was like $5 grand, but being that Bobby's dad owns it and it's Bobby's car, they hooked it up fat. Windshield replacement, that was $300. Radiator? Oh yeah. Wait, you paid for that. How much was it?
$110.
So the radiator that came with the front clip ended up having a hole in it. We did have to replace that. That was $110. We had one more OEM parts order, and that was for, what was that for? I don't know, just a few little random things, and that was $70. Damn, that's it. All that added up to 20K. I'll have the total price on the screen, but I'm guessing that was right around $20,000 to get this car to where it is today. Not bad at all.
Beautiful.
Just a beauty. Obviously, we did have a ton of help, family, so we did get, I mean, I feel like that's a pretty reasonable price.
It is.
20K, not bad for a series grade STi, and then Bobby just stole it from me. Sad. There are a few other little things that we do still need to fix. There's an exhaust leak, that'll be $5 for a new gasket. It does still need an alignment, that'll be 50 bucks or something. But yeah, paid $9,700 for the car to get it up to where it is today, around $20,000. Not bad at all. I also have seen a few comments and questions about getting that car inspected when we got it registered. Being that it was still a clean title, we did not actually have to get it inspected. We just went to the DMV, transferred the title over, and we were good to go. That would clear the air on that. But last stop for today is Elko Tint Shop. We are going to do some windshield tint, and I think we're gonna wrap the roof as well. What's up, bro?
I'm gonna hold the door for you.
You're gonna scare me? Damn, she built.
She's still stocked, bro. Come on.
It's so low, I scraped the lip coming up. So we're gonna be doing a windshield tint, roof wrap, and maybe redoing these because Bobby can't see at night. So
hey, look, you can't see my hand.
what? Yeah, we're gonna measure it real quick and see what percent it is. I'm guessing at like 8. It's gonna measure at.
No, it's darker.
Darker than 8?
I think it's darker. Yep, 2% right here.
2?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, 2%.
Okay, can we please do something about that?
This looks. See how it's so dark? Like it has like a blue
It-
color.
it's
It's probably
so-
Walmart tint.
It's so reflective too. Like all the lights in here reflect off that, and it makes it so hard to see at night.
No, there is no high quality 2%. Like no brand that I know carries 2%.
Okay, well let's rip that off and do something.
I wonder if it's too layered.
We gotta do it.
Look at the top edge. See how it's cut?
Yeah.
Let's squiggle marks. I wonder. What about this?
That's fine. Like we're fine with keeping the back dark, but you can't see
Yeah.
at night in the front. So yeah, let's redo that if you have time. All right, so we got the front door panels off. The tint on here is 2%. We're gonna peel the tint off just the front windows and replace it with like a 20%, just so you can see a little bit better at night. So as Alex is doing that, I'm gonna start working on the roof. We gotta get the roof, these trim pieces off and the antenna off, and then we can get this roof wrapped black. So to get the antenna out, we dropped this headliner down. There was 3 clips up top, and then these pillar panels right here. Pop those out, seals on each side, the handles, and you can access the antenna.
There's just little taps. As long as you don't pull it, because then you can bend the whole thing. That's it.
Easy enough.
Yeah.
All right, so pretty much all the tint is done. There's one last piece that needs to be tinted, and I'm gonna try to do it myself. Just this little piece right here. So I think I should be able to figure it out. I hope.
I cut an extra one out. You know, that way, if you mess up, I can just redo after you.
I ain't gonna mess up, bro.
All right.
Dude,
I love it.
that looks so good, bro. You killed it.
Maybe we should do this next.
We should. That would look good.
Yeah.
And maybe, what about a black hood scoop? You think that would look good? Or maybe carbon fiber hood scoop?
Maybe carbon fiber.
Or just carbon.
Or maybe like black inside right here. No man, it looks awesome. It looks like paint.
Oh yeah. I didn't show you guys. Alex made up these, what would you call them? Like
Door seals?
Yeah, door seal, carbon fiber things.
Door seals, yeah.
Those look sick. Where can they buy those at, bro? Nowhere?
I guess they could just DM me. But yeah, I like them because every time you jump out of the car, your heels or shoes touches this.
Yeah.
I mean, right at the edge.
They look sick because you can see the Series gray like color underneath. New tint, new wrap on the roof, and this thing looks so much better.
Oh,
If
yeah.
you guys want to check out your channel,
Yeah, just Alpha Tint Shop. We got a new video. Well, we got a couple new videos finally coming out this week about the GTR. So
he's been slacking on those GTR videos.
No, but didn't you like it?
Yeah, dude, it looks really good.
Well, and with now the better tint on the front too.
Yeah.
A little lighter, so you guys can actually see where you're driving.
Yeah, it was 2% tint before, and the back windows and like the two side windows and the back window are still 2%. So I'll probably peel that off and redo it eventually, just because I don't think it's that high quality of a tint. But yeah, it's gonna be much better driving at night now, because Bobby is like, I don't know if I should say this on camera, but I think she's kind of blind. No, I'm
Hey,
just kidding.
thank God for the backup camera, right?
Yeah, for real though. I always say this, guys, the tinted windshield is a must. Look how much nicer it is in here now, and it's gonna block out so much heat that comes through. And new tint on the side windows as well. That's how it was before. Look at the difference. The old tint is like kind of purple looking, and couldn't really see out of it because it was 2%, but this new tint on the sides, so much better. We made a ton of progress on this car today. We figured out the main issue or like the only issue left, which was the ABS system. So that was a super easy fix. But with all that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that answered some of you guys' questions about how much you paid for the car and how much it cost to get it fixed. Peace out. I will see you guys tomorrow.